What we got here is a Sportage and a brake light. That's what we got. But we're gonna turn around and get this fixed. We need to go out and fix this one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything. We just took some of this apart. We did get you a screw, take that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rest. So as we got this part off, what we're gonna do now, we got the old light out, and we're gonna inject the new light, which they call it a tail light now. Bingo, we got power. Want to make sure that's in there good. What we're gonna do is slide that in there. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is slide it back on. And we wanna make sure those goes through those holes. We're gonna get our screw, and we're gonna add that back up in there.
So what we're gonna do is get the screw and put it back up in there. Don't want to give it too much, just enough. Then what we can do, we got our two cases. We'll put these back on. Want to make sure this is down. Now these are hand tight. You don't need a tool for those, unless the shop factory put them on tight. Now we got those on. We got these on. These are mostly hand tight. These don't consist of a tool for real. If you want to double check and make sure you got them tight enough, we want to slide our piece.